Dharmesh Shah also joins us on the technicals. Dharmesh, let's begin by discussing some of these large private banking names itself. ICICI Bank making fresh records high, HDFC Bank a powering move of around 2%. What do you make of this strength in Bank Nifty, and do you expect it to continue in the coming week?
Hi, good afternoon. Yes, definitely. I think so. The week begins with a very positive note, and we see a surprise about 25,500 for the Nifty. We believe this momentum should continue. As if you look at the Bank Nifty, I think so that is the major breakout, and we expect this Bank Nifty to head towards 55,500 for the near term. So yes, Nifty looks positive. Maybe near term resistance at 25,700, 25,800 not be ruled out, but buy the dip should be the strategy. Eventually, we expect Nifty to head towards 26,200 in the coming weeks. So yes, buy the dip should be the strategy, and banking should be one which should be the focus.
And overall, how do you see, what should one make out of the market? Because after 4-5 days of consolidation, we again see fresh record high coming in. 5 days back, we had seen that 500 points move. Again, today we are seeing a similar 300 points move. What should one understand of this market, and how should one prepare for this October series for that matter?
Yeah, so if you look structurally, yes, they need to be structurally positive. And inside the structural bull market, corrections are part and partial, which we have witnessed in 2024, where 4 to 5% of the corrections cannot be ruled out. We believe, I think so, going forward also, there will be the times of corrections where 5% corrections cannot be ruled out. But we believe the market overall shows the signs of buy the dip should be the strategy. Because eventually, if you look, any dip which I have bought into always been rewarded with the positive returns. So going forward, we remain to be positive. Any dip towards 25,100 to 200 should be looked as a buying opportunity for a target of 26,200. Coming to sectors, yes, banking, again, which was one of the most underperformer sector for a long time, has been coming out of a long consolidation, and we expect this breakout to eventually head towards 55,500. So currently we are seeing, yes, private banks have been outperformers, but eventually we expect PSU banks, which have been trading at the 200 day EMA, PSU bank index, which should we see a gradual improvement here also, and we should see a catch-up exercise also in the PSU banks. So PSU banks, banking, capital goods, consumption, I think so across the way we expect the market to continue. Last but not the least, but would like to highlight that September we came out with the report of September. By that this should be the strategy for September. And eventually, if you look at the historical data of last 19 years, 15 times it has happened whenever there is something, a panic or a profit booking happening in the September, and which is bought into, has been rewarded with a positive return, the 7% in the next 3 months. So we remain to be positive for the market. Eventually, yes, any dip should be looked as a buying opportunity.
Well, thank you, Dharmesh, for joining us and for giving us those details and for putting things into perspective. With that, let's slip into a short break and we'll be back with more news on the other side.